Place the splitter against the bumper and secure it to the bumper with a few screws. Drill holes in the bumper through the original holes in the splitter. Then, remove the splitter from the bumper. Remove the front bumper. On the front beam, mark the point where the beam meets the side member. Mark this contact point on the inner side. Then, measure 20 millimeters from the marked point and mark it. Mark the same on the other side of the beam. Next, measure 345 millimeters from the marked point and mark it on the beam. Measure 20 millimeters downward on the front face of the beam and mark the points. The resulting 4 points will be the locations for the mounting holes. At the marked points on the beam, drill the mounting holes all the way through the beam. Prepare the mounting kit. Then insert the bolts securing the angle brackets into the mounting holes. Place the angle brackets onto the bolts and tighten everything firmly using the washers and nuts. Into the second hole of the angle bracket, insert a mounting bolt head up together with a washer. On the threaded side of the bolt, place a washer and a nut. Then tighten the nut to fix the bolt to the angle bracket. Install the bumper on the car. Next, from the underside of the splitter, drill holes through both the splitter and the bumper. 5 holes in each of the side sections of the splitter, also at the points where the fixing screws were placed, as well as holes in the vertical sections of the front part of the splitter. Then insert the bolts from the mounting kit into the drilled holes together with the washers. Tighten these bolts firmly. Fit washers and nuts onto the protruding bolt threads and tighten everything firmly.